BJP poll observers Rajnath Singh and JP Nadda will not be going to Maharashtra today. Now, observers are expected to be in the state tomorrow. That is the latest that we are getting to hear now, that the BJP poll observers Rajnath Singh and JP Nadda, in fact, will be making their way to Mumbai, but that is only going to be tomorrow. And this is in the wake of the big Maharashtra dilemma that the BJP is looking at, whether to go with the Shiv Sena or the NCP. This is in the wake of the unconditional support which has been offered by the NCP to the BJP. But yes, there is a camp within the BJP which is also thinking at the option of the Shiv Sena. But that meeting is now going to happen tomorrow. Let's get in more details from Aishwarya. Aishwarya, any reasons which have been given as to why this visit has been delayed by a day?
Well, Deepthi, as of now, we are being told that there are a lot of deliberations which are still going on among the central leadership of the BJP. In yesterday's BJP Parliamentary Board, it was rather decided that both of these observers will be going today, but it was early in the day when it was decided, only after a consultation with the BJP National President, that let's postpone it for a day. We are expecting that today there are going to be a series of meetings in the national capital. First and foremost, senior leader hailing from the state, that is Nitin Gadkari, who is also a cabinet minister, will be meeting the BJP national president, and then there will be a meeting with the BJP party president, that is Amit Shah, Rajnath Singh, Nitin Gadkari, Arun Jaitley. So all of these senior leaders are expected to meet somewhere in the afternoon, because at the end of the day, once again, as we have been saying, will BJP accept Sena to be a part of the government, or whether they will form a minority government, because the state legislature party of Maharashtra has a completely different take on the situation. But the BJP understands that the kind of allegation they have levied on the NCP, specifically the corruption charges, thus keeping that in mind, it is not going to be easy for the image of the national party, and then in turn that of Narendra Modi, to rather get support from the...
But you know, Aishwarya, is this also going to work at some kind of a pressure tactic then on the Shiv Sena, which has been waiting and watching and perhaps waiting that they will get a call from the BJP? Is the BJP actually increasing the pressure on them?
Well, right. First and foremost, with the NCP coming out on a suo moto and then saying that they are ready to give an unconditional support, they have already taken out that bargaining power from Sena, and now by BJP, they are just delaying it, and this is a pressure tactics, as you mentioned, which the BJP is playing, because BJP understand that the tone and tenor of the Sena leadership even yesterday was not very subtle. So they understand that Sena is still very adamant, and they are not going to accept it. They just want to give out a message that they are no more the younger one in the state of Maharashtra. They have come out triumphant, and they want to pass that message on to the Sena leadership, that they need to accept that they are the number 2 party now, and they need to act like that.
Okay.